Draft, the Cleveland Browns select David Njoku, tight end, Miami.
They're the celebration in Miami, and that makes 5 first-round picks out of Miami at the tight end spot since 2000. John, this kid is young, and he can do some things.
Well, he's a 6'11" high jumper in high school, 37.5 vertical, only 6% body fat, Mel. This is a young pup. He's going to be a 20-year-old rookie. He's like a big wide receiver, and his best work is clearly after the catch. You can detach him and isolate him like a wide receiver. You can put him in the slot. The best thing this man does is run routes, and he's very good after the catch. He has a long way to go as an inline blocker. They have Gary Barnidge, a veteran tight end, who can service a lot of different roles, but this is a joker tight end that is good in any formation, and he can catch the rock, and he is a hard man to tackle, Mel.
16.6 yards per catch during his career. Speaks to his athleticism, no doubt about that. He had 1 touchdown catch in 2015, 8 this past season. He had 43 catches, only had 21 the previous season. It's a kid that put it all together at one point this year, and that was it. Last 8 games, he was on fire.
Listen, he joins Bubba Franks, Jeremy Shockey, Kellen Winslow, and Greg Olsen as Miami tight ends going in the first round since 2000. He's going to Cleveland.